What's going on this week in AI? Well, I'll tell you. An AI program is beating the world's best players at Gran Turismo Sport, a PlayStation game. It only takes the program about 4 hours to be as good as the average human player, and 48 hours to be as good as the top 1% of players at the game. This experiment could have an impact on creating autonomous vehicles in the real world as well. Next, China's imposing new restrictions on artificial intelligence when it comes to apps. Two friends were using the same ride-sharing app, and they were offered different rates for the same ride. One of the friends more often took luxury vehicles on the app, and her ride offer was more expensive. China's outlawing this kind of algorithmic discrimination and making it illegal for companies to use this kind of personal information to change prices for products in an app. And finally, Netflix is making an Andy Warhol documentary featuring him reading from his diaries. It's not Andy himself, but an AI representing his voice. This is pretty impressive, but it resurfaces the discussion on the ethics of this kind of AI in filmmaking, but it's definitely something you're seeing more often today. Hit follow for more videos on what's new in the world of AI.